20-second tips.
For home learning.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to 20-second tips for home learning, the show where each week we will discuss one super simple thing that will help you with home studying. And today's tip is motivate with prizes! When you're alone in your room, it's easy to let your studying dissolve into one wishy-washy sea of blah. Don't forget to acknowledge your accomplishments. These successes can be anything you want them to be, whether it's getting a good mark or simply studying really hard for half an hour on a subject you find challenging. You know how hard you've worked, so don't let it go unnoticed. What did you do this week that deserves a prize? Let me know in the comments below. I'm pretty sure I did enough laundry to earn this puppy this week. If you'd like more study tips, check out another video. And don't forget to subscribe by clicking that little A+.